All the weight is on the heels of the feet. The big toes are pressed into the floor. Tuck the stomach in, bend the knees a little, fingers pointed toward each other at the lower dantian. Breathing in and making the healing ka sound. Move the hands up to the middle dantian and then turn them so that the fingers are pointing up and the palms are facing away from the body. Continue saying ka until you move the hand and fingers up just below the eyes with the fingers pointing up and palms facing out. Breathe in, relax the whole body, even the big toes. Place the tongue on the roof of the mouth. Push the stomach out a little. Turn the hands so the palms are facing the body. Open up the elbows. Lift the arms up and away from the body to relieve any tension building up at the armpits. The fingers are pointing at each other with the palms facing you. Turn the hands so that the fingers are pointing down at the floor, then move them down the front of the abdomen.